Look at these two robins just splashing around in there. Look at that. So look at them washing themselves. That's so cute. Yeah. Also, my interview went very, very well. Don't. I was a couple minutes late, but other than that, yeah, I definitely have a good feeling about the interview today. I do have a very good feeling. Oh, look, they're all here. It's probably a family or brothers. You know, they're all. Look at them. Look at them all being together here. They're drinking water here. Here's them drinking the water. That one right there is drinking water. That one's drinking water now. That one, yeah. And now, oh, they just flew away. Huh. It's like, oh, now they went to that side. Look at them washing their wings and their feathers, trying to get all the dirt that they accumulated from the city off their wings and off their body. Look at that. Even birds take baths too. Let's see. Oh, look at the little robin there. Oh, and I just got splashed in the face when it took off. Cool. And they just flew off. Nice and clean birds flying off. Cool. Yeah, and I definitely have a feeling I passed the interview today. Thanks for watching. Bye.